Hey foodies, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to wash wild-picked blackberries. I picked about 2 kilos of these blackberries. And adding them to a bowl. Well, I didn't have a larger container, so let's improvise. Now run cold water over the berries to get rid of any debris which usually float to the top. You can also rinse them under the water like so, mainly to remove any damaged and mushy blackberries. After a few rinses, add a dash of vinegar and let them soak for 8 to 10 minutes to get rid of any residue. Rinse the blackberries one last time, strain them, and you're all set. If you're storing them in the fridge, make sure to dry the berries by laying them on a clean kitchen towel before placing them in the container. However, if you plan to store the berries in the freezer, you can simply add them to the container directly. That's it. Enjoy your berrylicious treat. Before you go, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the upcoming blackberry recipe. Stay tuned, foodies.